to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do a teardown of an HDD, or hard disk drive. Let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start unscrewing the screws from the sides. And as you can see, it doesn't open. That's because there's a hidden screw underneath that sticker. So I'm going to go ahead and locate it, just like that. Peel it off, and there, that little shiny piece there, it has that hidden screw. And there's a hidden screw. Now you can open it up. It's a little tight to open because it's sealed really tightly with a slight adhesive. And there you have it. That's what's inside of a standard hard drive. And here's a spinning disk. And here are some more parts. Now let's go in a little deeper. Here's the connections. Here's where there's a neodymium magnet. That's really nice. Now let's go in a little more. There we go. Let's go ahead and remove this little ring here that holds the disk plate. And there we go. A very shiny, pretty disk plate, made of mostly aluminium and plated platinum, so there's not much value in that. Let's go ahead and remove this PCB in the back. And there. Not much in components, but what's more interesting, however, is this part here, which is also gold plated. So I can scrap it for gold. But microcontrollers can be useful. And now here we go. Let's go ahead and remove this arm that reads the information off from the disk. And here's the other neodymium magnet. Oh, very strongly stick together really easily. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and examine this and try to locate where there might be some more gold. This little piece here, I have an interesting idea to do some kind of induction coil. That looks interesting, but I might do something with that. And that little piece there, those pins are made of pure gold. So that's useful to have, and I have these great neodymium magnets. So let's go ahead and try to remove these magnets. Carefully, carefully, and there you go. Put the magnet to the side. It looks good condition. Let's go remove the other one. There we go. There we go. Nicely removed. Now you can discard that steel plate. And now you put these together. Now just don't let them fly together, because otherwise if you do, they'll shatter. So just let them meet each other gently. And there, now you got one big magnet. Really strong magnets like these are a lot of fun to play with, so it's worth keeping. Alright, so I have my neodymium magnet. I have some screws. I have this piece that looks very interesting. This little part here, that could be an induction coil or just a simple coil, can be interesting for something. And then here is some gold, and I have this shiny disc platter that I can do something with. And I have this pure gold pens right here that I can use, and this PCB that also contains gold. So pretty much this hard drive is going to be scrapping for metal and some components. So there you have it. A hard drive teardown. Thank you for watching SciTi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SciTi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.